Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an automatic photo carousel in Figma. This is a great way to showcase multiple images in your design that cycle through automatically, perfect for presentations or interactive prototypes. Let's dive in. First, open your Figma application, then open the project or file where you want to create this automatic photo carousel. For this example, we'll be working with 3 images, but you can apply this technique to as many images as you'd like. Once you have your images ready, select all of them. Right-click on the selected images and choose Group Selection. This bundles them together so they're easier to manage. Now right-click again on this group and select Frame Selection. This wraps your images in a frame, which is essential for controlling what portion of the carousel is visible at any given time. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Properties panel. Here, check the checkbox labeled Clip Content. This option ensures that only the area within the frame is visible, hiding everything outside of it. Now, adjust the frame size so it only shows the first picture. This creates the viewport through which your carousel images will rotate. Next, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the frame sideways to duplicate it. This gives you a second frame to work with for the next image in your sequence. Double-click on this duplicate frame to enter it and make adjustments. On the right side, locate the X position field and adjust it until the second picture is now visible within the frame. You're essentially sliding the content inside the frame to reveal the next image in your carousel. Repeat this process for the third image. Duplicate the frame again using Alt and drag, then adjust the X position until the third picture shows. Take your time with these positioning adjustments to ensure each image is centered properly within its frame. Now select all of the image frames you've created. On the right side, click the arrow down beside the component icon and select Create Component Set. This turns your frames into variants of a single component, which is crucial for building the automatic transition effect. Next, click on Prototype on the right side panel. This switches you into prototype mode, where you'll define the interactions between your frames. Connect the first image frame to the second by dragging from the connection point. Set the trigger to after delay and make the delay 1000 ms. This means after 1 second, the carousel will automatically move to the next image. Repeat this process until all the images are connected in a loop. Connect the second image to the third and the third back to the first, each with the after delay trigger set to 1000 ms. Take your time doing this to ensure all connections are properly set up. Now, on the left side of your screen, click on Assets and drag the component you just created onto your canvas. Then, on the right side, click the play icon to preview your automatic photo carousel in action. You should see your images cycling through automatically every second. And that's it. You've successfully created an automatic photo carousel in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.